Okay, this is part two of the trade I was in earlier. So as you can see, it did bounce off the order block that I placed here. Okay, and yeah, so it's actually, trending lower, which is nice. Okay, so let's see if we can get past all of this here. Okay, and it's actually 10:49 a.m. Just need a nice little push lower here. It's going to be 'cause that's why I always encourage everybody to read the Candlestick Bible. That way you know what these candles are doing and what it's communicating to you. Because hopefully it could trend lower, a little lower right now from where it's at. Okay. And 50. So 10 more minutes to the session. It's the 11 o'clock bar. So hopefully it'll give me a push all the way down here before 11 o'clock. If not, well, I might have to hold on to the trade until it does. It may take some time, but as long as it didn't go and hit my stop loss, I'll probably still stay in the trade. But we'll see what happens. It might just give me that push because we still got a good 9 minutes left in the session. So let's be patient enough to see what's going on. Once it breaks underneath these levels here, that'd be nice. And we see works like this, and the sellers are trying to take control. The buyers are trying to push it up. So it's a struggle between buyers and sellers. The tug of war. So all three of my trades are still in red, but it's getting closer to one of my orders where I'm about to get into the green. So nice big black candle. Be nice. So let's see if we get it. A bearish engulfing candle, bigger than the candle before it. So let's see if this candle will be a bearish engulfing candle. Um, oh wow, that see, you just never know. Market very volatile. Things can go in your favor in the blink of an eye. Things can go out of your favor in the blink of an eye. But again, set it and forget it. We need to set your trade, walk away from it, don't touch it. You can monitor it. Because if you know, get anxious, you might just click sell or click buy and close the order, and all of a sudden you lost money. So I might be negative right now, but I haven't lost anything until I close out the trade. So hopefully it goes in my favor, and we can take advantage of this strategy today. So it's 10:54. What's your thoughts? Do you think it's going to go lower? Right now, it's right in the middle. It's like consolidating to the right. This would be like a great breakout trade for those looking for who know how to do breakout trades. Whereby you create a nice little box. Show what I create a nice little box right here. You wait for a breakout. You're trending higher or trending lower. Retouches the box and go lower, trends higher, comes back, retouches the box, go higher. So that could be like a breakout trade. Those are like two breakouts. Yeah, so that's a nice little breakout, right? It's a nice little breakout. It's coming out of the box. Okay. If it closes outside the box, it's going to retouch it, right? It'll retouch the box and go trend lower. So let's see what happens. Five more minutes left in the trading session, so let's see what happens. Ah, there you go. See that retouch? What I said, and it did it. So that's awesome. Retouch the box. Barely. That's what's going in my favor. It's nice. And we still have 3 minutes left. We can come down. Oh, 1 to 3. See right there. Nice hammer right there. Well, one more minute to go. Wow, look at that. Let's push down. Get a nice push down. One of my trades, I'm up 15 bucks. The other two trades, they're still in the red, but they're about to turn green soon. So there we go, 11 o'clock. See what happens. We got a reversal, but then we got a hammer. So hopefully the hammer supersedes the doji. So this is a hammer, this is a doji. And now we're in the new time zone, 11 o'clock. I'm gonna hold on to it. Wait to see if it'll come down after the 11 o'clock to hit my TP, which is okay. I mean, it really didn't move, as you can see, it pretty much went sideways. Really don't want to be in a consolidated trade because all it did is move sideways. We did get a breakout out of this box. Might just retouch that breakout and come back down. It might not. So I'm gonna hold on to it for a little bit and see what happens. All I need is like a nice pull back. Nice. Um, Maybe I can go back and touch that this gray area right here. Remember, we still got that fair value gap. This is still that green area right here. Is my fair value gap. So it is touching it. Little bounce off and continue trading lower, or bounce off this breakout. The other thing I want to point out is that this whole area right here is lower than this low right here. So it did break structure right here. Okay, so this whole area is lower than this area here. So that's a positive sign that it did go lower, and now it's just coming back to retouch the failed value gap, which is my green. Okay, hopefully we trend lower and get to my TP. So it's going to be a little bit more patient. Let's see what happens. Get some time. but hopefully it'll happen in the next 15 minutes or so. Okay, so we develop a tweezer top right here. So tweezer top, when you see a tweezer top and the colors on the outside is the color that you want to go, which is down. Black is for sell, so it's going to go in that direction. The next candle, as you can see, it's the same color. So it's a tweezer top right there. And let's see what the tweezer top does. Let's stretch this out a little bit. Our target, right? I'm down here. It's just going sideways. It's just not really moving up or down. But once we get a strong candle going lower, I think it's gonna hit my TP. So we'll just wait. The strong bearish candle. Go. That's what we're looking for. Then develop. 34 seconds to the close of that candle. Now, that strong candle there. Actually, all three of my orders are in green, so that's good. Looks strong, bearish, engulfing candle, engulfing candle before it. Okay. Hopefully it'll continue its journey to go lower. One would only hope. One can only hope. I mean, if I wanted to, I can close out the order and profit right now. But nope, I'm not gonna do it. I want my 1-to-3 ratio. I said it. I'm gonna forget it. It's watching it, monitoring it right now. Share my results with you guys once this either hits my SL, which is my stop loss, or my TP, which is my take profit. I just hope it hits the TP. We have a great video to study from, take notes on. So, but even if it does hit the SL stop loss, we can learn from it as well. Because one thing I noticed that it's in consolidation, so it's trending sideways. But looks like he wants to go right back into that fair value gap. Maybe bounce off of it and see what happens. New candle. Okay, so it did make a lower low right here. This was a low right here, right? And this candle created a lower low. Okay. All we're looking for is it to push down to make a lower low, and then the top of this candle will be a lower high. See what happens. Okay. All right, so I may want to hit this gray area. Well, that's not good. There. Right back into the breakout, which is a gray. Bouncing off the breakout. So give me a retouch of the breakout. Breakout box. We just go above it. That's a strong black candle right there. If you close lower than the candle before it, consider it a bearish engulfing candle. Push lower to make a lower low. There we go. That's looking nice. Go for it. There it is. I believe the banks and institutions just entered the market. So whenever you see a huge candle like that, a lot of people are selling the market, including the banks, institutions, which is pushing the market lower. Okay. That's a huge bearish engulfing candle. So all I need is that next couple of candles to go below this candle here to make another lower low. So find that for you. Anything that closes below this candle is going to create a new lower low. Lower. Come on. There we go. Getting there. We're getting there. Lower low, a lower high, another lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. 24 seconds. One close below it. Good. Doji. Reversal candle. Could be a fake out. Never know. So, reading our lower low. There we go. Just did it. That needs to close below the lower low. Might retrace a little bit more. One, three, two, one. Right at the base, right at that line. So it didn't close below. Being that one of my orders is in green and two of my orders are in red, I'm still up $11. So this one goes just to push down lower. We get a lower low. Come on. We're just gonna hang out and just watch it and see what it does. I'm gonna mute myself so I can get some water. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. All right, so it doesn't look like it's going in my favor, so just see. Right back into the this gray box, breakout box. It's a strong level of resistance as well, so hopefully it doesn't break it. Or it might just want to go right back to the order block right here. If it breaks above that, then it's not going to be a favorable trade. But see what happens. Let's see. Pretty much just stayed in its zone, right? Stayed in this general area. It really didn't give me a trend, a bullish trend or a bearish trend. Though we had it earlier, but now it's just sideways. Just put a box around this whole thing. If it goes above the order block, there'll be a good possibility it'll hit the stop loss. And if it does, we just do it again tomorrow. No biggie. According to the challenge, I cannot lose no more than $500 in one day. And my maximum loss is $1,000 overall. So right now the account is negative $140. And I'm still hopeful. Still hopeful. But remember, it's not a loss until you close it out. Till then, hold on. Okay, so what's up? Negative 140. Now it's negative $100. Believe it or not, this is a reversal candle right here as well. So we'll see. Still hovering on negative $100. Let you know if it goes below that. Yep, just popped up 125. Negative 100. The great thing I like about challenges is that it's not really your money. It's actually a demo account that you're trading. And you're just testing out your trading plan, your skill set to see if you can pass the challenge. Because once you make $800 in profit, you pass phase one. Then phase two, they open the gates for phase two to send you an email. You got to grow that to another $400. Once you get $400, you pass the challenge, and then they give you a live account. And then once you get a live account, you just grow the account, follow the parameters, don't lose no more than $500 in a day, or $1,000 maximum. If you can maintain that, not lose anything below that, those numbers, And if you have a profit, it'll be a profit split between you and the funding funding company. So it could be like an 80-20 split where you'll earn 80% of the profit, they keep 20% because you prove to them that you actually could trade and be profitable with your trading plan. So that's why I like funding accounts. Even if you fail the challenge, your initial investment is really small. Like this company, it's actually with I got it like a 10% discount. This company only charged me like less than $60 to get a $10,000 challenge. And if you do pass the challenge, phase one and phase two, you get that $60 back. So it's a win-win. Okay. So instead of you trying to fund a live account with $5,000, 9 times out of 10, we all don't have that, right? You can purchase a challenge and test your skill set based on what you taught yourself, based on what you've learned from me off my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel. I thought this would be like a one video live trading session. It's actually turning into a 2 video, maybe a 3 video live trading session because I'm waiting for it to hit my TP. So I'll keep you guys posted, let you know whether or not I actually did hit the TP or if it hit my SL. So that being said, I think I have another minute left in this recording. So look out for part 3 if it doesn't hit my TP within the next minute. I'll continue the recording. Oh, by the way, it's negative $25 right now.